Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an automatically updating Google Sheet. Let's get started. First, go to Google Sheet, then open the file that you want to edit. Once you're here, click the file at the top left corner, scroll down, then click Settings. Click on Calculation, then click on Change right below Recalculation. Now you can choose here if you want to change it every minute or every hour. This affects how often now, today, run between are updated. Once you've edited it, click Save Settings. And that's it. Your Google Sheet will automatically update every minute. That's how you create an automatically updating Google Sheet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.